Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 Crew Cab service truck. This is a one-owner service truck. We purchased it out of the state of Maryland. They were the original owners. They maintained and kept it well. Features a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel and an Allison automatic transmission, and it's showing just under 220,000 written miles. As you can see, it's the infamous yellow color that they use on all their trucks. In pretty fair condition. Has some bumps and bruises on the exterior, but overall in nice condition. No major rust or damage showing. The wheels are discolored slightly. Paint is wearing off. All these tires appear to be in good condition with good tread remaining. They're not brand new, but they do have good tread remaining. The frame does have some light surface rust showing through. But overall, what you'd expect for a truck like this vintage. Got a Knapheide utility service box on the back. An aero board is installed, it's untested. Take a look inside these boxes. Inside here is really solid. The floors are good, no rust. They all open and close as they should. There is some light rust back here. Not necessarily structural, but it is peeling back a little bit. Just some flaking rust. Still very solid. It's got individual door locks as well as these locking mechanisms on the back. Back here we've got a trailer tow hitch. In between the boxes, it's a nice bed liner material, diamond plate floor. There's not too much rust here, just a little flaking on the floor, but this bed liner did a good job to protect it. You'll see we have a small bubble here on this door, this rear door. It's the only kind of major rust on this truck. Truck goes down the road as it should. For the miles, it goes down the road pretty fair. It does have a little bit of rust in this box as well. And again, it's still solid. It's just a little flaky. It's still very solid. Overall, this box is in good condition. Look at the frame back here. Again, just some light surface rust in some areas, but overall pretty solid. You can see the rocker panels and cab corners are fairly decent. The powerful Duramax engine. Motor sounds good. The transmission shifts through all the gears as it should. This truck does have a Boss snow plow package on it. If you'd like the plow, it's an additional $1,000. But it comes with the bracket and controller to operate a Boss snow plow. The Boss that we have is in fairly good condition. I put a picture of it up online. You can see the condition of that, but it can be sold as a complete package. Let's take a look inside here. The interior is clean, does show some light wear. Inside it's just regular crank windows with power door locks. It does have keyless entry, automatic locks, and keypad. But overall, it's pretty nice in here. Little tear on the center console. Got some custom console there. There's the Boss snowplow controller. It is floor shift 4-wheel drive. Heat, air, AM, FM radio. Slight tear on some seats, but overall in fairly good shape in here. Look back here. These seats appear to have not even been sat in. They're in really nice shape. The vinyl floors are all in good conditions. Ooh. Overall, inside and out, this truck is very presentable. It's clean for what it is. It does have some miles, but it still does go down the road as it should. Duramax motors are good for it. You can check the truck out for sale on eBay. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a message. I can ship this truck throughout the United States. Call me for a quote. Otherwise, thank you for watching.